Hello, today we are going to solve one question from syllogism from UGC NET Paper-1. Given below are two premises with four conclusions drawn from them. Which of the following conclusions could be validly drawn from the premises? The premises are all fans are tubes and bulbs are not tubes, and the conclusions are: the first conclusion is fans are not bulbs, the second one is all tubes are fans, the third one is fans are bulbs, and the last one is no tube is bulb. And we need to select the correct option from these given four options. Okay, we can solve this question in two methods. Method 1. Here B conclusion B cannot be drawn as A type statement changes into I type upon conversion. Okay, and conclusion C is also not valid. Conclusion C is also not valid because a positive and negative statement cannot yield a positive one. Because a positive and negative statement cannot yield a positive result. Okay, that is A plus E will give E-type conclusion. Okay, now we try to solve this question in method 2, which is the Venn diagram method. As we can see that in the first premises we are told that all fans are tubes, and the next premise is told that bulbs are not tubes. Okay, therefore if we see the first conclusion that fans are not bulbs, it is true. The second one is all tubes are fans. All tubes are fans, it is false. As we can see that no tubes are fans. There is no connectivity between tube and sorry. As we can see that maybe some of the tubes are fans, but not all tubes are fans. Therefore, B is false. And C says that fans are bulbs. As we can see that there is no connectivity between fans and bulb. Therefore, C is also false. And the last one is no tube is bulb is correct. As we can see from the picture that there is no connectivity between tube and bulb, therefore no tube is bulb. Therefore the correct options are A and D, hence we can say that B is the correct answer. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.